Right, they're now on a Peaky Finders dig, midweeker. Love a good midweeker. There's my missus. She looks really grumpy, didn't she? there's our field, and there isn't many of us here, so there is another field as well, but it's not been recommended to go on it because they didn't find a lot there on Sunday. So, but it is open, and it is raring to go for us, but never mind. But there you go, that's our field for today. And back out of them again Sunday. Enjoy, see you at the first hole. Alright, 76, 77. Let's see what we've got. Oh. That's out straight away. Ah, there it is. Just a bit of crud. Yeah, just a bit of crud. Never mind. That's a 65, 66. No matter which way round I go, it's the same number. It could be another bit of foil. So let's see. That is out. Now what we got? That's a bullet. That's a long old bullet. Long old bullet. Happy with that. My wife's chuffed a bit. She's just found her first 20mm casing. She's really happy. 1944. So she's really happy. Smiling her head off like a cheese cracker. 85, 86, 87. Could be another bullet actually, to be fair. No, it'll be a bottle lid. Bottle lid with glass on it, hence why you wear gloves. There you go. Never mind. Yeah, just a bit of can. So a little can. Little or 7-Up. 7-Up, I expect. And there you go. And the hilarious bit, before I started filling it in, or when I halfway through filling it in, went over it again and found the ring pull. Never mind. Right, it's out, so that'll be part of the can. What's the odds? Yeah. Oh, it's a different can. This one's still got its ring pull. Oh, but then again, it could have come from there. So no, it's probably from the same thing. And it's just where people keep putting their general trash in with their waste, as in the garden waste, which is what the farmers get, and unfortunately they sprinkle cans everywhere because they don't know no different. Right, there it is there. Centre cap of a shotgun cartridge. Another bit of can. Oh, it's terrible. Never mind. Never mind. Right, it's out. It's out. So what are we going to go for? Oh, it's not in that at all. Okay. Oh, I don't believe it. Got a coin. I got a coin. Happy days. Let's see if we can get anything off of it. Probably not. No, very toasted. Very toasted. Never mind. Coin's a coin. There, got a coin. I think that's the head. I think they're facing that way. So I'm going to go for Jules II probably. I may be wrong. But that's what I would say. Happy days.